First steps in pet care and how often should I feed my dog? Taking the first steps in pet care can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially when it comes to understanding your dog's nutritional needs. One of the most common questions new pet owners ask is, how often should I feed my dog? This topic covers essential tips for beginners, including the importance of a balanced diet, portion control, and establishing a feeding schedule tailored to your dog's age, size, and activity level. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or looking to refine your pet care routine, this guide will help you ensure your furry friend stays happy, healthy, and well-fed. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Grooming is one of the important activities to be known well by the dog owner. If the dog owner is not aware of the grooming, then the dog may encounter many types of diseases. First steps of grooming consists of activities like maintenance of coat, nails, and ears. The maintenance of the coat mainly consists of enrichment measures like proper bathing, combing, drying of skin by dryers, and more. The animal need not be bathed daily, and this helps to protect the skin's characteristics like insulation feature. Use conditioners and shampoos that are meant for dogs. Combing needs to be carried out with a soft brush meant for use in case of dogs. There are varieties of brushes available, and depending on the type of breeds, one can use the concerned brush. This grooming of the coat by a comb needs to be carried out daily, and the fallen hair, if any, needs to be placed in dust bin always. Otherwise, when the dog owners switch on the fan, the hair will fly and may enter the nostrils of persons. Always don't clip too much because this may lead to injuries of nail always. Similarly, you need to carry all the materials required for the clipping with you before the start of the procedure. Use a sharp clipper designed for use in case of dogs. It is better to have the dog on the raised place, and hence, the control of the animal is easier. Ear canals are to be checked up frequently, and sterile cotton may be used for cleaning purposes. Grooming associated guidelines need to be followed strictly by the dog owners. Nail maintenance is one of the first steps of grooming activities. Live nail areas can be easily clipped away, and are always light-colored than the reddish area of the nail in the higher position. During the holding of your dog's feet by you, always have a firm grip. If not, the dog will take an upper hand during the clipping and some injury may occur. How often should I feed my dog? This often becomes an important question asked by many dog lovers and dog owners. If it is a puppy within age of the first 6 weeks, the puppies need to be given milk at the rate of 5 to 7 times per day. The puppy will make some sound if it wants to feed in general. However, the feeding frequency may be reduced when the dog becomes 6 to 8 weeks old. By the time the dog assumes the age of 4 weeks, it may start taking of some solid food. Hence, mix the solid food with water in majority and feed your puppy once or twice in the beginning, and if the dog develops some diarrhea, then delay the feeding. Most of the times, it is due to trial and error, but taking some basic steps in feeding, so you need to watch out. The feeding frequency may be changed to 2 to 3 times after the assumption of age of 8 weeks. However, if the dog is seen hungry, craving for food, then provide food once than the estimated numbers. This varies with different breeds of dogs. However, avoid feeding too many times in this age group of dogs. Around 3 months to 6 months of age, the puppy will be teething. Hence, restrict the feeding to 2 times only, but the balanced type of nutrition needs to be provided to the dogs of this age group to avoid the deficiency-based symptoms in them. From 6 months to 1 year, try using puppy food that is available commercially. However, from first year onwards, the adult food may be given gradually. However, when the dog becomes an elder dog, restrict the frequency of feeding, since the movements of such adult dogs are highly reduced due to multiple reasons. However, The pregnant animal may be fed an extra time depending on the willingness of the animal and restrict the quantity of the food, but without compromising on the quality of food.